Pakistan and its intelligence agency ISI are involved in funding anti-India organizations, including those supporting Khalistan movement. Not only Pakistan, but pro-Khalistan supporters based in other countries are also funding these organizations through Pakistan. A large number of Sikhs migrated to Western countries during the insurgency in Punjab, including those who followed Khalistan ideology and demanded a separate state for Sikhs.
The Pakistani government and their intelligence agency ISI have been in cahoots with many terrorist outfits, including the ones that tend to propagate a Khalistani movement. As you know, this movement was born beyond the Potomac. All these people left the Indus Doab, so to say, that is Punjab, the land of 5 rivers, and have gone to those countries, and they are trying to carry on with their pipe dream, so to say, or their ambitions, in order to somehow create a flutter. They indulge in conferences, they indulge in occasional demonstrations, they try to do lobbying with the people who listen to them in those countries, and very often you will find even in those countries that various Pakistani establishment people are supposedly working with them.
With the upcoming Punjab elections, the separatists can again rake up the Khalistan issue. Punjab will go to polls next year, and there are chances that Khalistani separatists may try to create disturbance during elections.
It is possible that something may be heightened during that, but I am sure that our agencies, our security outfit is quite capable of containing any negative fallout of this during the elections or after the elections, so that the continuous stream of democratic tradition continues everywhere. We will always have had a smooth change of power, but it is likely that some people from sitting there in Canada or in the US or somewhere would like to fund these activities through Pakistan.
Few months after the Pathankot terror attack, Indian intelligence agencies had sent an alert to the Canadian government saying that pro-Khalistan terrorists are running a camp in British Columbia. Pro-Khalistan separatists enjoy Pakistan's patronage and are reportedly planning to create instability in Punjab.